In this video, I'll try to list out some of the common engine noise that you should be worried about. A squealing and screaming noise from your engine could be from the serpentine belt. It's common for a lot of people to ignore this noise, but when you realize that the serpentine belt powers the alternator and the water pump, you realize that the serpentine belt is a very important component in your engine. You could also hear a squealing and screaming noise if your power steering pump is bad. A knocking sound from the lower part of your engine is usually the sound of your engine embarking on the popular Ngwongwo challenge. This is always a serious concern. If you hear this noise, switch off the engine and find a way to tow it to the nearest workshop to avoid further damage. Loud bangs like this from your engine is always a sign that you have a poor air-fuel mixture ratio. Unburnt fuel is getting to the exhaust and exploding there. Tapping and clicking sound is usually as a result of poor lubrication or bad engine oil. Hissing sound from your engine as if air is escaping from somewhere is usually a sign that you have a vacuum leak or one of your vacuum pipe is leaking. Loud sound from the top of your engine when you start the car. Usually this will dissipate in few seconds. This is usually a sign that you have camshaft issue or you have timing retardation. Please take note that unfamiliar sound from your engine is always a cause of concern. To avoid further damages, it's always good to have them checked.